Hello students, I welcome you all to my channel SB EduPoint and I hope you all are doing good. So students, in this video I will solve some of the questions that are based on arithmetic progression and were asked in 2020 basic and standard papers.
Okay, now let's move on to the first question, which says that out of these four given series, we need to find one which is not an arithmetic progression. This question was asked in mathematics standard of 1 mark. So let's solve this. For the first series, we need to find the common difference. For a series to be arithmetic progression, the common difference should be a constant. So I am taking third and second terms to calculate the common difference. 2.8 minus 0.8 will give us as a result 2. So 2 is the common difference. To cross check whether this is an arithmetic progression, I am taking second and first term also. So D21, I am just writing to make you understand that I am taking the common difference between the second and first term. So 0.8 minus of minus 1.2 will give us the common difference which is equal to 2. Hence we can say that the first series is a arithmetic progression. Now let's move on to the second series. 3 plus 3 root 3 and the second term is 3 plus root 2 and so on. So if I take the difference 3 plus root 2 minus 3, so I will get the common difference as 3. If I take the difference between these two terms, 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. So 3 and 3 will be cancel out and we can take root 2 common. So 2 minus 1 will be 1. Hence this series is also an arithmetic progression because the common difference coming out to be same, root 2. Now we can see in the third series 4 by 3, 7 by 3, 9 by 3, so on. So the denominator is same. We need to check out whether. So students, I hope this question is clear to you all, and in case you have any queries, you can post your doubts in the comment section. Alright, so we'll move to the second question. Second question says that find the value of x so that minus 6, x, 8 are in AP. We know in arithmetic progression, common difference remains constant throughout the series. So first I'll take the common difference between second and first and equate it to the common difference between these two terms. So x minus of minus 6 will be equal to 8 minus x. This is the common difference between second and first term, and this is the common difference between third and second term. Because it's given that it is an AP, so we are equating the common difference. And it is a linear equation, so we can find the value of x. I'll take the variable terms to left hand side. So 2x will be equal to 8 minus 6 will give you 2. So the value of x here will be 1. So the three terms will be minus 6, 1 and 8. You can cross check that these three terms are in AP. Difference between these two terms 7, and difference between these two terms is also 7. Hence it is an AP and the value of x will be equal to 1.
Now let's take the third question, which says find the 11th term of the AP minus 27, minus 22, minus 17, minus 12 and so on. So let's solve this. It's given in the question that the first term denoted as A is equal to minus 27, and to find the common difference I'll take the second term minus 22 minus of minus 27, which will give us the common difference D equal to 5. In the next step, to find the 11th term, we all know the formula to calculate the nth term of AP is given by A plus n minus 1 into D. I hope you all have seen the arithmetic progression basics video. If not, please go through that video. I have added the link in the description below. So the next term, in this step I had replaced the value of A and D, and now we have the 11th term as 23. I hope it is clear to everyone. Okay, so let's move on. Students, I will suggest you to pause the video, give it a try, and then afterwards you can check the solution for these questions. Okay, so fourth question we have is, for an AP it is given that first term A equal to 5, common difference D equal to 3, and the nth term AN is equal to 50. We need to find n and sum of the first n terms of the AP. So let's check the solution. It's given in the question A equal to 5, first term, then common difference equal to 3, and the nth term, or we can say the last term of the AP as 50. So to get the number of terms, we have the formula A plus n minus 1 into D. I had placed the value of A, D and AN in this formula. So 50 equal to 5 plus n minus 1 into 3 will give us the number of terms as 16. Now we need to find the sum of the first n terms. So to calculate that, I have taken the formula n by 2 A plus L, where A is the first term and L is the last term. And I have placed the value of n which we have just calculated. So 2 can be gotten out, and 8 into 55 will give us the answer as 440, which will be the sum of n terms of AP. Students, the fifth and the last question of this video, we need to find the sum of this given arithmetic progression, and we have given, and it's given in the question A equal to minus 5. Common difference, we can calculate it as minus 8 minus of minus 5, so it will give us answer as minus 3. So the common difference will be equal to minus 3.
Next, we need to calculate the total number of terms in this AP through the formula a plus n minus 1 into t. So minus 5 plus n minus 1 into minus 3 equal to minus 230. So nth term we have as minus 230. You can see this in the AP, the last term or nth term is minus 230. Next, I have taken this minus 5 to the right side, so it will be minus 225. And then I can bring this minus 3 to the denominator and can cancel out. So n minus 1 equal to 75. So the total number of terms in this AP will be equal to 76. Now we can calculate the sum of these 76 terms. I have taken the formula n by 2 a plus l. Students, you can also calculate this with the other formula n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into t also. There is no restriction, you can use both these formulas. 76 by 2 minus 5 minus 230. So I can cut this 2 with 76, so it will give us as 38, and 38 multiply with minus 235 will give us the answer as minus 8930. I hope so this is clear, and I will be taking up few more questions on arithmetic progression that are asked in 2020 Mathematics Standard and Basic papers. Thank you for watching the video. To make sure that you don't miss any of the videos, please subscribe our channel SB EduPoint.